This video is broken into two parts. My sad stupid website story and website that took 2 months to build. So be sure to enjoy them both and watch till the end. Let's start with my sad stupid website story. Yup, that's probably 8-year-old me. And since childhood it was my dream to have my own website. And although I have tried it 3-4 times, but it just never works. I don't know why.
It just
Never.
works.
A few years ago when I was in 7th or 8th, I don't remember. I tried creating a website with HTML, CSS and no, I hadn't used JavaScript because JavaScript for losers. And that was a mistake. This is how far I got. Hello world, welcome to my homesy on the internet. About me a good programmer, I'm gonna revolutionize the universe. And these icons that you see, they don't work, they are fake. Because I didn't know how to use the A tag. At that time, neither I knew English nor programming, but I didn't lose hope. I was still looking for the aliens and few earthlings to visit my website. After weeks of no outcome, I was sad. And I finally decided to search on Google. Why the heck my site not on Google? And as always, Google came up with the dumbest answer. Dumbo, you need to host it. I was confused. I mean, what? I need to host a party to get my website on Google? Nah, let's leave it. Then I tried Wix. Wait, it's not a Wix ad. I don't even have enough subscribers to get Wix ad. I actually tried Wix. This is my website. Wait, why there are so many bubbles on the homepage? I don't know. Maybe I can burst them?
You suck, you jackass!
Anyways, so this is the website. This is the first game that I ever created and I submitted it to the App Store. You won't find it anywhere now because I removed it, but you can see this video. Also, you can come to my website and check this out. I'll leave the link to the website below, but that's not my final website, by the way. That's just the website I created long ago using Wix. This was another app that I submitted to the App Store called the Unit Converter, and it basically converts ounces to inches and meters to kilometers and kilograms or whatever. Then these are some practice apps that I created, and then there is this about me section which is very embarrassing, as if this video is not, but yeah, you have it. And then this is the subscribe to my email list thing. At that time I didn't even know what email list is. I just had it there because many websites have it and it looked cool. You can subscribe even now, but I won't send you anything because I don't run it anymore. Anyways, 1 year fast forward, I finally got some Jedi coding skills and I could finally write in English and speak in English. During all this time, I was studying in a boarding school and I was doing IB. Shut up, loser! No one gives two shits about your story. Okay, story time over. Now let's look at the website that took me 2 months to create. And it's totally awesome. Yo, welcome to my home on the internet. And you see that transition there? That's what I was talking about. And if you scroll down, you will see another transition. And transitions make me go crazy. If you click on the project section, you will go to my GitHub repository. And if you go to AI, that's the main core of the website. I'll talk about it later. And if you go to the blog, you'll go to my Medium blog post. YouTube is YouTube. Feedback is a feedback form where you can suggest me what changes to make in the website. Let's talk about other features of the website. So this is the main AI page, and this time you can actually do all those things written here. These are not fake buttons, by the way. So if you click on object detection, it will take you to the object detection page, and here you can run the program. But there's a catch, you need to log in. Now I created this website and I submitted it to the IB for my CSIA. That's why I have added irrelevant features in the website so that I get more marks. So you need to log in first and then you can use all the features of the website. If you scroll down, you can see the code, and I will put a GitHub link there later. And if you click on any of the definitions, you'll be directly taken to the definition of all the terms page, where you can find definition of all the important terms used in the website. Now let's go and click again on the object detection, and this time we'll run it. Wait, why do you need object detection on the website? because of my Alzheimer's disease. I sometimes eat my phone thinking it is chocolate, and which results in this. This is where object detection comes in, and as you can see, I can easily identify that it is my phone, and now I won't eat it. Let's look at face recognition. In that text field you see below, you need to type your name, then you need to press configure. It will take your thousands of pictures, actually 10, and then you can hit on train to train the model, and then you will be able to run it. Rewind and watch it in 0.5x if you didn't understand. Okay, now why do you need this on your website? I can't recognize myself sometimes, and accidentally I have hit myself a lot of times. And that, by the way, hurts a lot. Solution: face recognition. I can never pronounce it correctly. Now I can easily identify myself. Talking about face rec, I created Face ID on Mac using this, and you can check out the video.
Stop promoting yourself!
Ouch, that was a hard punch. Now let's look at music generation, because I only need some music to heal my body. Click on generate button to generate, and music will be generated. Now you can download it to your laptop and listen to it peacefully in your own time, in your bathroom or whatever you're doing. The last one is image generation. Why would you need to generate images, you ask? Well, my boy, you can be a millionaire generating images. Just click on generate, image will be generated, and it will be 25 by 25 images. And now you can make hundreds of thousands of dollars. Don't worry, I'm not explaining the code. So the website was created using Django. It is nearly hundreds of lines of code, and I will be putting that on my GitHub repository. You can find it, you can copy it, you can do whatever you want to do with it. Object detection, face recognition, etc. was done through OpenCV, and image generation and music generation I used some help from Google and few towards data science articles. I will link them all in the description so you can check them out. So now you're thinking, how did I learn all this in just 1 year? Well, from Master himself. Not Master Yoda. From Master Google and Master Sendex. Check out his channel if you haven't already. It's no way sponsored, but I like his videos and they have helped me a lot. Wait, one more thing. I haven't hosted my website yet because I want your suggestions, and if you could leave them below in the comments or mail me, that would be great. Finally, if you liked the video, then shoot that like button and destroy the subscribe button if you love it.